how to enable or disable double tap spacebar to add period for Samsung keyboard on the Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on general management. After that, we tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then scroll down and tap on more typing options. From here, tap on double tap spacebar to add period. Tap on our toggle button to turn off this feature, or switch it on to use the double tap spacebar to insert a period. Now that I have turned it on, you can see that if I open up my text messaging app, and if I double tap here on the spacebar key, it will insert the period. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.